Hey guys, how's it going? I guess you know that it is important to be on social networks such as Twitter or X. Well, don't forget to put a link to your website. It is a no-follow link, but it is important to put it. It is very simple. Register with a new account or log in with your X account. This is Prolynken account. Let's go to edit the profile, and X will give us the option to put our URL. And as you can see in our X profile, we can see our link to our website. And as always, visit our social network Prolynken if you want to exchange links with other webmasters.